All right, this is the end of another day, and on the S&P 500, we've got an engulfing bar. So really tomorrow we're just going to have to wait for that bar to break. I'm thinking we're probably going to get an inside bar tomorrow, but I wouldn't call this a bearish engulfing. I mean, it's just an engulfing bar. Engulfing doji even. So tomorrow might be an inside bar, and then we can get a break on that inside bar on Friday. But the momentum is still bullish, although there is a slight divergence going on here. But I'd stay neutral on that. Let's take a quick look at bonds. Bonds are pushing up, which should support the move for stocks to move back up. There's obviously no fear of the inflation that's going on in our economy right now. Apparently, everybody's looking at it as transitory. So, yeah, that bodes well for the market. The Qs should look fairly the same. Oh, actually, that's an inside bar. So if you're looking to trade QQQ tomorrow, you could look for a break either to the up or the bottom, to the top of the bottom. You got a slight divergence going on the momentum. You might get a little sell-off in the Qs tomorrow. TLRY, it's a big down bar. Momentum's down. Things kind of bearish. I don't see any entry in that. Purple. Yeah, it just looks bearish. There's no entry there. The only place you could really take a long would be at that 27.48. You have to wait for that to roll around a little bit. All right, yeah, you know what? Let's just get to AMC. AMC. All right. So, yeah, we knew it was going to close that gap. Shorters knew it was going to close that gap. Everybody's sitting around. This is the moment of truth. To tell you the truth, the entry is at 31.99. You want to see it hold at 31.99? You might even want to take a long interest right there at that 31.99 with a tight stop and see if that baby will make that turnaround. But this is where it's got to happen. That's what you want to see. You want to see it fill in right to that 31.99 and then start to reverse. Just wait for the reversal. Let it fill in over there. If it hits, it tags it tomorrow. Look at the 60-minute chart and try to find an entry on the 60 or on the 30. But I'd have to argue that that's the support we're looking for. If you can't hold that support, then that $14 number is a good number. That's it, man. This is where major support is for you. This is where the fight begins. This is where all those apes have to unite and turn this thing around. Let's just see what a entry might look like on the 60. Yeah, you're gonna have to wait for this thing to make a divergence, because it's just negative on the momentum and it's just pushing its way down. Look for a double bottom on the 60 or look for a trend reversal indication, and that's where you take your long. So that's it. Lots of financial earnings coming out tomorrow. That's going to be the dominant news in the market. That's what's going to move the market. We had the Fed speak today, so it made the market a little clammy, a little bit boring. We did make some money first thing in the morning, but yeah, you know, pocket change. But let's hope for a better day tomorrow. Good luck to you AMC guys, and I appreciate you stopping in. If you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe and hit the like. I do an end of the day wrap up every day, and I can give you your views. If you hop on the channel and want to talk to me a little bit, we kick it off at 9 o'clock, and we'll trade live until about 12. I'll show you my setups and everything that's going on. You could ask me some questions. If there's some stocks you want me to include in the end of the day wrap-up, I'm happy to do it. So hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and good luck trading.